Hello guys, a new mining video for an old site for mining free Litecoin crypto. This is my personal experience and this my payment proof. It will be shown in the video like shown below. This is our video, our site. If we see, we have login with email or a wallet. I choose wallet. We log bar email. We put our FaucetPay email. We log in like shown below. This is my balance in this site. It gives you free mining power like shown below. Free lifetime 100 terahash, daily earning 0.05%, no payment at all. And if you want to buy miner, it's at your own risk. I'm sharing with you my personal experience and it's not an advice, financial advice like shown below. Let's see, there is, like shown below, there is a special bounty. You can make a video YouTube or Facebook, post in Facebook group or in Telegram group, and there is instruction for every one. Let's go to our dashboard. This is our dashboard. If we open withdrawal history, like shown below, this is a small amount I have, and this is a huge amount that I have, 0.09 Litecoin paid to my wallet. Let's open in blockchain, and it will be shown in my FaucetPay account. Let's open in FaucetPay account. This This is my FaucetPay account, like shown below. This is my payment, like shown in the exactly in the site, like shown below. This is how it's work. You log in. You let work for you for free if you want, at your own risk. And it's not in a financial advice. You want to upgrade it your own risk. It's my personal experience in this site, like shown below. This is my payment proof. Simple. You can also do in a bounty program. Example, for Telegram, you must have 2,000 member and paste your link in the post and post in your Telegram, and you get some gift from the site. This is my personal experience in this site. I don't advise anyone to invest or push him to register in this site. It at your own risk. This is my personal experience. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.